Need a business loan fast? BlueVine might be the answer. This platform offers flexible solutions tailored for small and medium-sized businesses, prioritizing speed, simplicity, and accessibility. Perfect for entrepreneurs needing quick working capital, BlueVine provides lines of credit and invoice factoring. Their line of credit offers up to $250,000 with competitive interest rates, ideal for managing cash flow or unexpected expenses. Approvals can happen in as little as 24 hours. Facing slow-paying clients? BlueVine's invoice factoring provides immediate access to funds tied up in outstanding invoices, maintaining your cash flow. BlueVine's user-friendly online platform simplifies loan management with real-time visibility into funding status, payments, and available credit. Qualification requirements are lower than traditional banks. Businesses with moderate credit and at least $120,000 in annual revenue often qualify. Remember, these are short-term loans, so plan for quick repayment. Rates, while competitive, might be higher than traditional loans for businesses with excellent credit. BlueVine is a great option for fast, flexible funding with minimal hassle. Check the links below to explore BlueVine and see if it's right for your business.